wait. Before you take another drug for stomach pain or spend money on foreign medicine. Do you know that some of the best foods to heal your stomach are right here in Nigeria? Yes. Foods you eat every day can help you fight bloating, ulcers, constipation and make your stomach feel better and stronger. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful Nigerian foods that clean and heal your gut, and number 5 is one most people don't even know is that powerful. Let's go. What is gut health? Your gut is where your food goes after you eat your stomach and intestines. When your gut is healthy, you digest food better, your body gets more nutrients, and you even feel happier and stronger. But when your gut is sick, you feel bloated, weak, tired, or always going to the toilet. Good food can help heal your gut naturally, and today I'll show you how. 1. OG, pap, the fermented gut healer. It's made from fermented corn, millet, or guinea corn. Because it's fermented, pap is full of good bacteria, the kind your stomach needs to stay clean and balanced. These good bacteria help fight the bad ones that cause gas, bloating, and diarrhea. Health tip: drink pap with little or no sugar. Add a spoon of groundnut or milk for energy. 2. Unripe plantain, the natural prebiotic. It's not as sweet as ripe plantain, but it's much better for your stomach. Unripe plantain is full of fiber and prebiotics which help feed the good bacteria in your gut. It also helps people with ulcers and constipation feel better. Health tip: boil or roast it with a pinch of salt. You can eat it with vegetables or pepper sauce. 3. Okra, the stomach soother. You know that slimy part when you cook it? That's what your gut loves. That slimy part is called mucilage, and it helps coat your stomach and soothe any pain or irritation. Okra is also rich in fiber, which helps you go to the toilet easily and clears your stomach. Health tip: don't overcook it. Use little oil and enjoy it with stew, ogbono, or oji. 4. Bitter leaf, onogbu, the gut cleaner. This one is bitter, but very powerful bitter leaf. It helps clean your stomach, reduce inflammation, and fight bacteria that cause ulcers or stomach pain. Many people use it for malaria, but it also helps your gut work better. Health tip: squeeze the leaves in water and drink it raw, if you can handle the bitterness, or cook it as soup with little oil. 5. Palm kernel, the secret gut booster. Yes, that black nut from palm fruit. Most people throw it away, but it's full of healthy oils and antioxidants. Palm kernel helps reduce stomach inflammation and supports gut healing, especially after ulcers. Health tip: break the nut and chew the soft white part inside. It's crunchy and very medicinal. Quick recap and tips. So let's quickly go over the 5 foods again. 1. Pap, OG, for good bacteria. 2. Unripe plantain for fiber and prebiotics. 3. Okra, for soothing and smooth digestion. 4. Bitter leaf for cleansing and fighting infection. 5. Palm kernel, for healing oils and antioxidants. Eat more of these foods if you want better digestion, less pain, and more energy every day. Which of these foods do you eat often? Which one are you ready to start trying? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to hear from you. If this video helped you, please give it a like, thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health and food tips straight from our Nigerian kitchen.